Another fraction, the crude extract contains several secondary metabolites, but all the metabolites are not responsible for symmetry. So, which disease we are targeting based on this disease personalized of the medicines? So we can steroid-rich fraction we can separate from the crude extract, flavonoid-rich fraction we can separate, and that crude extract. So here we have just carried out the hot plate method of analysis activity of the same plants, Euphorbia, Lirifolia. So different fraction we have found that is the steroid and terpenoid fraction. Definitely they are responsible for the for protection of the pain and inflammation. That's why it can be considered in the same dose. So each our northeast based one very popular, but these collected plants from Euphorbia lyrically and Euphorbia lirifolia. So these plants we have taken. So we have carried out steroid and terpenoid fractions. Then we evaluated the inflammatory response as an anti-inflammatory drug development. This is our protocols for to separate out the steroid and terpenoid fractions. 2 column chromatography. We have evaluated in GLC and 2 HPLC. And my objective is to that how we can standardize. To HPLC we can every time, if before supplying into the herbal industry, the fraction of food extract after that, depending on the collection time and collection place. See, if we HPLC fingerprinting, if we document it and supply it in the pharmacopoeia, then in future it is very easy for us to explore the drug development from that. Because tribal medicine, tribal people, they are using same plants in Nagaland, Assam, or Manipur, but they know very well on that plants. They are very much familiar. So they know which time if we collect it and then make a juice, but in our land and other scientists they don't know, subjected to scientific validations. So that's why the same haldi they know how, and we have characterized several dental analgesics from our northeast area and cultivating other species already now cultivated in the flora fauna of the northeast area. So that they know how, which fractions and how we can make a juice after collection in which time. So they are getting very good results, but they will not calculate the that message to the normal people. So we have identified from there. So in case our anti-inflammatory effect, we have just got out. This is our published data on that. PBNC derived macrophages, so many cytokines, that fraction significantly reduced. This is our inos expressions findings results, and this is blocks and POX pathway dual inhibition of that fractions. This is the nociceptive preclinical 2 models, very familiar, acetic acid induced and hot plate method is found with the standards very good results. This already published in the inflammatory pharmacology, and now we have chosen our white tea. These varieties of white tea, it is very promising in the Assam variety. We have not taken the Darjeeling variety. White tea variety, we have compared with the green tea. You know the tea, green tea is very anti-cancer drug medicines. So due to the, we have found this white tea, same after maintaining the same protocols with the green tea, due to the polyphenol oxidase enzyme deactivations, the non-hydrolyzable tannins content is very high. So that's why these white tea fractions of hydroquinone, it founds remarkable activity on the fibroblast cells. We have collaborated with doctors in the clinical to know the rheumatoid arthritis. Nowadays, autoimmune disorders are very promising, particularly RA and ACE. So we tried to check whether these actions are inhibiting the fibroblast cells growth in the cell culture. So it is nicely downregulate the growth, and ICVP is very good. So these are our apoptotic mediated data results, and it is apoptogram cell death. It inhibits the fibroblast cells of the joint arthritic patients, joint synovial fluid derived culture cells. and it also inhibited the STAT3. JAK-STAT pathway is very much promising for the inflammation, particularly in case of cancer as well as autoimmune disorders. So we have validated our identified compounds that epigallocatechin galactose fractions in the docking. It is found very good results, and we have published this our publication. Steroids we have also in the Northeast some plants we have done. This is our recent publications of white tea, very with good collaboration with the clinical doctors we have published. And now in my last message, how we can standardize. From my talk, I can say, so during collection, note it down. Number one. Number two, place, time, every time documented, and after that you go for LCMS and expensive fingerprinting for standardization. Because same day of the same variety, it will vary their constituents. So these are my talk essence. So how we can standardize? So I'll be happy any questions from the audience.
Anyone?
Thank you, Dr. Pharmanecia, for nice presentation. You know, our government is also pushing the traditional medicine to the world. Recently, the WHO has organized its first global summit in Gujarat last month to reach the world for traditional medicine. So our continuous effort from the government will help us to explore in this area in near future also. So now I take 2% from the audience. Please ask any question if you have.
So my question is that in your previous slides, you have mentioned that you have compared the different fractions, flavonoid fraction, steroid fraction. So maybe I have no idea about that. That generally what we do after extraction, the fraction study depending on the polarity of the different solvents, we do fraction. So here the whatever you have mentioned that flavonoid fraction. So are you mentioning the fraction which is weak in the flavonoid after quantifying the flavonoid in it?
Or after quantification and following the flavonoid, you know the acetone, if you take acetone. So flavonoid, if your extract contains the flavonoid, so definitely the flavonoid rich fraction will be richer. And then you can through scientific process, if along with the flavonoids, sometimes steroid is there, so you can bypass with the solvent precipitation. So after that, you can enrich the flavonoids and not only the single flavonoids. It contains several flavonoids, 6 or 7 compounds. They are all derivative of the secondary flavonoids of the.
Okay.
I have a small query. You have measured the TNF alpha substitution with osmotic spectrum from Loveless and Kolkata. So whether this chemical constituent parameter responsible for suppression of TNF alpha or the extract
Extract. And we optimize and variation is there.
Yeah, variation
are not shown here.
My question is which component of the Tulsi suppressing TNF alpha?
That is Tulsi flavonoids and some steroids. What are hydroalcoholic extract?
Hydroalcoholic extract.
70% ethanol. And you see the after extraction, that is my
the chemicals constituent study
yes
carried out for both the extracts.
They have both the extract. So
The
same extract difference is there. The yield of the flavonoid and steroid
is more
in the
milliliter.
And very interesting, if after extraction, suppose you are evaporating the solvents, so you just prepare a 500 mg tablets. Total yield is same, but in between 500 mg, the composition of the steroid is
The content of steroid
composition is high.
So whether the pure steroid means pure flavonoid like quercetin has been tested to
not
No,
tested, but quercetin also the
can be a potential suppressor of TNF.
yes,
But very good observation. Thank you.
that I observed. So thank you.
Thank you very much. Is there any question?
No,
So nowadays, because of extreme climate conditions and weather uncertainties, can we cultivate the medicinal plants in the same manner like before we did?
No, this climate change has hampered the cultivation of the medicinal plants. Very good question, because we have tested earlier 3 years ago in Silchar. Now we have noticed that climate has been changed, and also Calcutta. So climate changing, they are indirectly influencing the secondary metabolic pathway. I already shared that is cyclinic acid and mevalonic acid pathway for production of the polar and non-polar. So due to the climate change, same place, changing of the climate from the earlier time to present time, number one, and number two, the collection place. So I can give you the one example. It was found significant. Nagaland, the Naga tribal people, they are cultivating one anti-cancer medicinal plants in the flora fauna of the hillocks, that hilly region. So they cultivated, and Japanese scientists, collaboration with the Indian scientists, they have found this plant extract very nice anti-cancer activity, right? So what they did, so they have taken the seeds of that medicinal plants and they try to explore that large production of the cultivation, two source, that wild source and scientific modern source. So they have tried to cultivate in the Bhubaneswar. So very surprisingly, after cultivation, the plant matured and they extract from same plant, same species. So they have not found the significant anti-cancer. So because of the Bhubaneswar and Nagaland, that weather changed. So aspirin, it is very popular nowadays, magic bullet drug, because of pure compounds. In case of pure compound, there is no hazardous. If you in the quality control test, everything is same, then we can pass for the drug development, the manufacturing. That is the major challenging issues. You have question now, because I have collected 1 year ago. I extracted and validated. Second time collected, same place, same time. So we are not counting the same data with the extract. So that is the main problem.
So I think
Thank you.
maybe and biotechnology has to improve. So and also in a proper ambient environment.
Mimicking of that climates and nature through tissue culture.
Exactly.
Through tissue culture, we can explore plant culture. After optimization and standardization. But simultaneously, the plant biotechnologically, the natural thing, suppose in that quality selenium composition we have to optimize, because selenium, zinc, that micronutrients, they indirectly improvise roots to propagate that secondary metabolic products.
You have to go to the gene sequencing level.
Yes.
Which genes are getting updated.
Yes.
Whether exactly it is the same fingerprint
Yes.
or not. Those things.
Fingerprinting, DNA barcoding, we have to explore. Yes. Thank you.
Any more question? Thank you, Dr. Palik, for nicely addressing the tricky question from the audience. And thank you all the audience. Here I am closing the session. Now,
Thank you, everyone. So I would request Dilip sir to stay back and give a token of appreciation to our speaker. Volunteers, please help. Thank you, sir. So finally, the moment of a poster presentation is going to start. We are about to start our poster presentation. So the students who are presenting the posters, please go in the floor of third floor, that is 400 floor, and you can attach your poster over there. The designated place has been given. We already have our judges of the poster presentation. We have Dr. Biplab Devnath, Principal of Bharat Technology. We have Dr. Anirban Dev Bose, Associate Professor, Adams University. I would like to request Maji sir to come on the stage and felicitate our judges. Sir, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Students are requested to go to the 400 floor. That is the third floor. The poster presentation is about to start. Whoever is having poster presentation, please go to the third floor. And for tomorrow, the students are requested to be on time at 10. Within 10 a.m. you have to come. And we have tomorrow 2 poster sessions. Accordingly, please come and